Kotak Education Foundation strongly believes in empowerment through education. What we do in school education, scholarship, or vocational education revolves around this central theme. When we launched this Kotak Kanya program in 2021 with 50 pioneers, we never knew where this would take us. Today, we have crossed the hallmark 1,000 number. When we launched the program, the 50 of them taught us valuable lessons. Today, it is a pleasure to see them bag placements from Google, from Goldman Sachs, in many investment banks, the top-notch companies India and the world could offer. Our research threw up some truth that we couldn't ignore. It showed us that women are highly underrepresented in the leadership space, especially in vital fields like STEM. We knew we had to ignite a change. These remarkable young women securing seats in the most prestigious institutions of India, the IITs, the AIMS, the NLUs, are the torchbearers for Kotak Kanya. The radiant welcome to the newest cohort of Kotak Kanya scholars, the 500 of them from the 24 vibrant states of India, the smartest daughters our country has seen. They are the cream of the crop, the embodiment of resilience and brilliance. Welcome, young women.
In those early years, it was all about building relationship and trust with our scholars and ensure that all our scholars feel supported not only financially but also academically and emotionally. Hence, since its inception, Kotak Kanya Scholarship has always had a holistic focus towards nurturing our scholars, which includes personalized mentoring, equipping them with important life skills, providing them with academic support through webinars and online courses, and not to forget the most important one, that is ensuring mental well-being of our scholars. Mentoring has always been a very core to our program.
Mentoring is a transformative process that goes beyond imparting knowledge. Creating a bond, trust with the mentees was very important because they were first time away from their family. I still remember conversations where they were sharing it was very difficult for them for coping up with new friends, new place and whole new world outside there. More than a mentor, we became their friends who helped them to stay focused and patient during this situation. As mentor, we guide them through the essential skills which are useful for them into day-to-day life.
Not only this, we believed that collaborations are going to serve our student in the best possible way, and hence we collaborated with prominent finishing schools of the country as well as taken support from expert mentors from eminent organizations.
It's been a pleasure to work with the Kotak Kanya program because the program itself is so beautifully designed, bringing in young, bright minds from across the nation in a country like India where there's so much potential just waiting to be unleashed. Personally, as part of this initiative, as Talorang's founder and CEO, I've received so much joy both from the students as well as the trainers who enjoyed every minute training these bright young girls. Some of the topics we've covered is their own self-awareness. What is it that they actually want to do with their careers? And what are they good at? What are their strengths and how can we unleash those strengths? Their communication skills, their ability to work smart, get work done in a short amount of time, helping them make a good first impression, improve their resumes and their interviewing skills, and a lot more. And all these skills together are part of the 21st century toolkit that make these young leaders work ready. Even though the Kotak Kanyas are spread across India, they seem very unified in terms of their mission, in terms of their overall motivation and ambition.
I am Dr. Reena Nair. I joined MBBS in 1978. I have spent the last 36 years as an oncologist treating patients at the Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai initially, and now for the last 12 years at the Tata Medical Center, Kolkata. To push women to excel in my own specialty has become my passion, and so this chance to mentor Kotak Mahindra scholars comes as a great honor to me. My own personal experience in training subspecialty doctors for the last 20 years suggests that there has been a shift to a more theoretical teaching in MBBS days and less focus on soft skills. There is a constant pressure to answer entrance exams, which leaves less time for students to go to the clinics, and there has been an explosion of knowledge in all fields of medicine, leaving little time for simple skills like training in bedside manners when dealing with patients, breaking bad news, and counseling relatives, especially when dealing with difficult diseases and inadvertent delays. So, counseling young women doctors achieve their true potential and discussing soft skills is an opportunity for me to share my experience as well as to give back to the medical community what I have inherited for free from my family and in abundance from my teachers and mentors at the medical school. Thank you.
Dear Kanyas, I am proud today to announce that we have crossed the 1,000 milestone. 1,000 Kanyas are now part of this family. However, this is but a ripple in the ocean. I want all of you to be part of this and convert it into an India-wide movement. Your Nari Shakti will make it happen. Over the last year, we have had 4 chapters of meet and greet across Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad. I want each one of you to start this chapter where you stay, where you study and where you will build your career. Another way, dear Kanyas, is by joining the KSAP Club, the Kotak Kanya Ambassador Club. Join it and help us spread the word of this unique scholarship in your institutions.
As Malala Yousafzai rightly said, the powerful quote, one teacher, one child, one book, one pen can change the world. We believe the same. One empowered woman can change the world for herself and also change the world around her. To our new scholars, you're the hope, you're the future, you're the promise. I wholeheartedly welcome each one of you to the Kotak Kanya family and Kotak Education Foundation. Shine brightly.